If you're looking at the news, believing the rumors, whatever you want to call it, it sounds like Courtney Duncan, the four-time WMX motocross world champion, is going to be back with the DRT Kawasaki team after 1 year with the F&H Racing team, and we'll see where this goes. I mean, obviously, it wasn't the best year for her. I think she ended up what, fifth in points. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Somebody, please tell me. I think it's fifth. I'm pretty sure on that. But I mean, this is pretty good. Obviously, WMX is a growing thing, and I like to watch as much as I possibly can. Any of the women's sports in general, the W Series for F1, it's all good. And personally, I think it should get more exposure than they do, but that's kind of a money thing, and we'll see where this goes. But if she gets to move back to the team where she's been so competitive, so I don't want to say dominant, but like competitive and with titles and wins, if she can go back there and have a healthy year against, race against Lottie Van Druen and Daniela, I never know how to say this name, Guillen, Gwillen, somebody, I don't know how to say that name. I'm really bad with last names. So I apologize if I ever butcher somebody, but if she gets to move back there, have a healthy year, be comfortable, fight for another title. If it does work out, she'll be with Bobby Bruce. Yes, Bobby Bruce, yeah, under the awning, who will be racing the EMX 250 series. So hopefully she has a good year, and hopefully this is true. We can get some good competitive racing, and I don't know. You guys tell me. Have you ever watched a W Series race? Do you watch any of the W Series for any sport? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.